Hello, my friends. I am your friendly vegetable seller. Today, I will show you 20 fresh and colorful vegetables. We will learn their names together in English. It will be fun and easy. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a carrot. This is a carrot. The carrot is orange. Carrots are good for your eyes. This is a potato. This is a potato. The potato is brown. Potatoes can make yummy fries. This is a tomato. This is a tomato. The tomato is red. Tomatoes are good for health. This is an onion. This is an onion. The onion is white, red, or yellow. Onions make food tasty. This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. The cucumber is green. Cucumbers are fresh and cool. This is a bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. The bell pepper is yellow or red. Bell peppers are full of vitamins. This is garlic. This is garlic. Garlic is small and white. Garlic keeps you strong and healthy. This is spinach. This is spinach. Spinach is dark green. Spinach makes you strong. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage. The cabbage is big and green. Cabbage is good for your body. This is a cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. Cauliflower is white. Cauliflower is very healthy. This is broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli is green. Broccoli looks like a tree. This is lettuce. This is lettuce. Lettuce is light green. Lettuce is soft and fresh. This is corn. This is corn. Corn is yellow. Corn is sweet and tasty. This is an eggplant. This is an eggplant. Eggplant is purple. Eggplants are good for cooking. These are peas. These are peas. Peas are small and green. Peas are very healthy. This is a radish. This is a radish. The radish is red and white. Radishes are crunchy. These are green beans. These are green beans. Green beans are long and green. Green beans are full of protein. This is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. The pumpkin is orange. Pumpkins are very big. This is a mushroom. This is a mushroom. Mushrooms are brown or white. Mushrooms are good for health. This is celery. This is celery. Celery is long and green. Celery is very fresh. Great job, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time.